Okay, so dito tayo sa hiring process. Okay, so ito yun. We have five and yeah. First one, the initial screening. Ito yung part wherein mag-fill up ka sa link na nandito sa description box ko. Okay, yun. Pag pumasa yung sinend mo sa kanila, may magme-message sa'yo. Okay? The company will message you something kung ano yung next step na gagawin mo. So, naka-indicate din doon that you will go through a technical check. So, yun yung next step, the technical step. Okay. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na malalaman talaga nila. An IT will check your equipment using AnyDesk. So, for those who don't know, AnyDesk is an application wherein they can access your computer or your PC. I-check nila yung specs mo. Sila mismo ang gagalaw dyan sa loob ng laptop nyo. Okay? So, check nila kung nagsasabi ka ba ng totoo na ito ba talaga yung specs ng laptop mo? Naka-LAN cable ka ba talaga or wala? So, yun. Check nila yan. Okay? So, if pumasa ka sa technical check, mag-schedule na naman sila for your interview. Okay. So, may magme-message sa'yo na trainer, Lingora's trainer, for the interview and etc. During the interview, you'll have the pronunciation test, the grammar test, and a speaking test. Okay, hindi siya just an interview. I think ito nga ata yung pinaka-crucial kasi ang daming test na nangyayari. Okay. Now, for those who are planning to apply here at Lingora, you can comment down below or message me on my email. Okay. And I will give you some tips. I will be the one to help you, give you something when it comes with your pronunciation test, the grammar test, and the speaking test. Okay, I'll give you some tips. So just comment below or message me on my email. Alright? Okay, pag napasa mo yan lahat, you'll go through demo. Demo na agad. Alam nyo, actually, pagkatapos kong ano ba yun? Interview ba yun? Tapos demo ka agad. Ganun nata yung nangyari. I forgot. Okay. Basta, you'll go through a demo. So, nung time ko, it was only just a 15-minute demo. So, again, you can't prepare. Hindi kayo makakapag-prepare kung anong lesson teach ang ituturo ko. No. Kung ano yung lalabas, yun yung ituturo nyo. Okay? Hindi naman talaga mahirap. Kung ano yung lalabas, you have to really think that ikaw yung teacher, paano mo to i-handle? Okay? So, since adult students, marami sa topic cards or sa lesson, it's more on question and then sasagot si student and then conversation. So, there would be a lot of conversation going on wherein iti-take note mo yung sagot ni student, yung mga errors, and etc. Okay? And pag napasa mo yan, another message, congratulations! You're on for the next step. Orientation ka na. Okay? Dito muna tayo. Orientation. So, ito na yon. Pwede ka nang makapag-start. But of course, siguro tapusin niyo muna yung orientation kasi sa orientation, ang dami niyo pa palang kailangan malaman about the company, the rules, the regulations, the do's and don'ts, and etc. So this is really a must. Okay? If you would like to try this company, yes, please do use my link. This is my link right here on the screen. Makikita nyo rin to sa description box below. So, i-click nyo yun and make sure that you use that one. If you use my link, I will make sure that you pass the interview process, yung mga sinabi ko kaninang test. I'll help you with that as much as I can. Okay? Okay, so here it is. This is my email. Kung gusto niyo mag-send ng email sa akin, so pwede din naman. So message niyo lang ako. Of course, please don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment below, no, para mabilis ko ring makita. Okay. Thank you so much, teacher. So yun, that's another opportunity for all of us. I hope you like this video. Subscribe if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. Thank you so much and I'll see you next time. Bye!